This video is brought to you by the Department of Finance in the County of Marin. In this video, we will show you how to register for a business license online. Before we begin, please have the following information ready. You will need a business address, which must be a physical location and not a P.O. box, mailing address, phone number, standard industrial classification code, and if you are a sole proprietorship/partnership, you will need a driver's license number with a digital copy of your driver's license, a social security number, fictitious business name filing from the county clerk, but only if you are using a DBA business name that is not your own name. If you are a corporation, limited liability company, or limited liability partnership, you will also need articles from the Secretary of State number, and also your federal employer identification number. Once you have that information, please navigate to www.marincounty.org/BL. On this page, under Business License Registration, click Business License Application. You will start an application when registering for a business license. The application is used for many business types, and not every business requires the same information. Please be sure to read the instructions carefully and read it in its entirety. You must complete this application in one sitting. Unfortunately, you cannot save and return at a later time. After reading the information on the page, click Begin. On this page, you will first enter a verification code from the image on the screen, then select the business type. If the business is for short-term rentals, make sure to pick living accommodations and not rentals. In this section, you will be asked to enter your business name and fill out information such as your business and mailing address, contact name, contact information, etc. The application will require you to enter a description for your business. Make sure to be as detailed as possible when filling out this section. When searching for your standard industrial classification code, enter a keyword for your business type, and a drop-down menu will appear to select the code. For example, short-term rentals, a keyword might be rental. For long-term rentals, a keyword might be operator. For general contractors, a keyword might be contractor. Once you enter your keyword, several choices will appear. Select the code that is most appropriate for your business type. This section will also require you to attach a digital copy of your driver's license. Please make sure to fill out all the required information we have previously mentioned in the beginning of this video, as they apply to your business. Even though it is not marked as required, it is required by the Department of Finance so they can process your application. On the next page, you will enter information for the owner and local emergency contact. If they are the same person, check the box at the bottom when inputting owner information. Remember to input your social security number and driver's license number, even if the page says it is not required. On the next page, you will review your application and provide a digital signature at the bottom of the page. Please double-check all information to ensure it is accurate. When you are ready to create a digital signature, remember to put your signature in between two forward slashes, such as the examples provided. After reviewing, signing, and inputting your name and phone number, click Submit Application. You will then be redirected to a confirmation page where you will be able to print out a copy of your application. No payment is required until your application has been reviewed and accepted. You will receive an email verifying the receipt of your application. If there are any errors or more information is needed, you will receive an email detailing their concerns. Once the application is approved and processed, you will receive an email asking for an online payment. Acceptable forms of payment include debit/credit cards and e-check. The email will also include your business license number and PIN. To pay the business license fee, go to www.marincounty.org/BL. And under Pay, click on Pay an Outstanding Balance for a Business License. You will first need to enter a security code from the image on the screen. Next, enter in your business license number and PIN. Then click on Find Account. You will then be taken to a page detailing all fees that are owed. Once you are ready to make a payment, you can choose your payment method from the drop-down list of acceptable forms of payment. If you pay with a debit/credit card, there will be a processing fee for all transactions. For transactions paying with e-check, there is no processing fee. However, please note that if you are paying with eCheck, the system will not provide an error message if the routing number or account number is inputted incorrectly. Please be sure to provide both banking and routing numbers correctly, or else the payment will be returned unpaid. Once you fill out your banking and billing information, click on Submit Payment. Do not submit multiple times or there will be multiple charges. After the payment is received and processed, an official business license certificate will be issued and mailed to the mailing address on file. Please note that late payments will result in additional penalties and interest. Business licenses are only active from July 1st through June 30th of the next year. In the event that you receive your business license after January 1st, the business license will only be active until June 30th of the year you submitted your application. All business licenses expire on the 30th of June each year. Renewal notices are annually mailed out mid-June with a payment due date of July 31st. If you do not receive your renewal notice by July 1st, please contact the Business License Department. If you wish to close your business license, then go to www.marincounty.org/BL and click on Close a Business Online. For more information and resources, please follow the links below. Thank you for watching.